Welcome guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to Google Chrome do not show any image. So guys, if you went to Google Chrome, do not show any images. So very easy. Type here any name. So do not show any images. And if you want to show, click on three dots. After click on settings, scroll down to click on set settings, scroll down and here option image. Do not show any images. If you want to show, so slash toggle on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you want to Google Chrome, do not show any images fixed, that is. And if you want to show any images, that is. So guys, this is very simple and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.